Welcome to this Windows channel, and this is the Tech News Update. We are Monday, June the 5th, 2017. And today in our Tech News Update, we have Android and Chrome OS hybrid Andromeda that is finally killed. Google has decided to pull the plug on what was to be a hybrid operating system for all devices. No real news as to why this has happened, but it seems that they have decided to, continue on in the way that they are now. In a world where even Windows is trying to be, one operating system for all platforms, it does seem that Google has decided not to do it. One of the interesting things also that we know is that there was supposed to be a Pixel 3 laptop running Andromeda, but it would seem the Pixel 3 laptop is also something that they've killed. Apple iOS might actually eventually have a app that will be a file manager. There have been some sneak previews that soon an app might actually be available that would help you go into folders and files, something that a lot of users wanted on iOS and would have loved to have. So basically, who knows, that could be something coming soon. Windows 10 coming into new versions, way too many new versions. It will now have, starting with Default Creators Update, 3 versions. That will be the Windows 10 Pro Advanced, Windows 10 Pro N Advanced, and another one which will be a Windows Server 2016 with advanced features for basically remote access. So now, this is a big problem. Windows should have just one version. I don't understand why they keep not only pushing several versions, but also, pushing even more versions coming soon. Well, even though the US is not going to be in the climate change and just basically be in the Paris Agreement for climate change, one of the interesting things is that, first of all, many US states have actually said we don't need federal government for this, we will do it on our own. But also what's very interesting is that there are some tech companies, tech giants like Microsoft, Google, Apple, and others that are saying, you know what, we will actually work for our businesses to actually be in the Paris Agreement for climate change. So it's pretty nice. At least we see that some people do care about the environment. Well, Amazon is possibly working on a new phone and tablet with an new operating system that would actually be Android Nougat instead of the Fire OS. And also, one of the interesting things is that they're trying to get back into the market with low-cost devices that would maybe soon make it to market. And we'll see if they can actually achieve some, interesting sales of these devices. Well, today is WWDC, which is the Apple event. It is going on right now as I am posting this video. And of course, if you want to learn more, I'll have a complete roundup of everything that was announced at the Apple Keynote. So why not check it out, as we will, of course, have a roundup a little later as the keynote ends. Lots of interesting little announcements, and nothing major yet, but some interesting little announcements that we'll be checking out. So if you want to learn more, and of course, some of you always say, why don't I talk about Apple stuff here? Well, because lots of Windows users have Apple products. And so this was the Tech News Update for Monday, June the 5th, 2017. If you enjoy our videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you so much for following us on this channel.